a fun weekend, and we're heading out to go hit some mad rips, so it should be fun. Park in a divot and the bike can just roll straight onto the ground. I don't have to worry about that. Look at this big fella. Having a monkey it. Went for it to warm up. Holy cow. Fuck, wow. Alright, that needs so much work. Bro. Fuck, your steering is so loose. Your bars are too narrow and they need to come up, man. 100%, that's why you're having a hard time controlling it. Yeah. That's wild. Alright. This thing's a little cranky, so watch him. More rebound compression, yep. Compression out of this. Yep. Just gonna drop your tire pressures and see how that goes. Sick.
How is it now?
Bro, I don't know how you were riding this before. It's better now, but for me, night and day already. It's fun to ride.
Fucking oath.
Woo, nearly got you, bud. I saw that. It was like, boom, Matt!
The second my wrist went down, I grabbed that clutch, eh?
Yeah.
The second of Oh, fuck yeah. I was like, I'm starting to get tired of my hands. I was like, I'm just going to sit for this jump.
Yeah, sit down, pretend.
And then, bada bing, bada boom. Fucking eagle. I think it's a wedge tail. Sussing out. Wait. Oh, you left it in gear, you fuck. That was a lot better. First crash of the day. Nice. Woohoo! Yeah!
Yeah, buddy.
I just need to get the dirt out of my glove. I got that on camera.
You gotta get the first one out of the way, bud. That's mad.
Alright. Again.
That's good. That means you're pushing, cunt. I love it. I love that. Racing's racing, brother.
Yep.
Is that the first time you dropped it?
Yep.
Oh, I'm so glad I was here to witness it. She's heavy.
Oh, she heavy bike.
You leave her right?
Yeah. It was soft dirt, bro. Yeah. I come up way too high. I should have dropped the clutch. So,
I got one up here. I went straight through it. It happened.
Oh no, that's what I mean. That's good. All right, I need to get out of here, motherfucker.
Fucking mad.
Too high a gear.
Look at the squat on the back.
There you go, change that so it's more black.
Fuck, I love that photo. That's sick.
That's a Gucci one. And then, wow, wow, wow. Dude, when the ramps are fucking built correctly, you can fucking just launch.
That's where motocross is good, because when you go to the track days, they build all the track before, so there's no ruts.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, so they'll have like races there, but post-race they'll bring all the machines out and make it all flat again, so track day it's all like, and when you get there first, the track's like all flat, and you don't need to pick a rut like this. You have a 6 meter, 7 meter wide flat gravel and you just pin it, bud. It's